Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage marketing automation with ActiveCampaign, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your ActiveCampaign account. Once logged in, navigate to the Automations tab in the main menu. Click on the Create an Automation button to start a new automation workflow. You will see different automation recipes. Choose one that suits your marketing goals or select Start from Scratch for a custom option. Next, you will be taken to the Automation Builder interface. After choosing a trigger, define the conditions for when it should activate. Now, click the plus icon to add your first action. Select from a variety of options, such as sending an email, updating a contact, or waiting for a specific duration. If you're sending an email, click on Send Email and choose a pre-made email or create a new one. Once you've set up the actions, consider adding conditions or splits to segment your audience further. Utilize if/else conditions to tailor the automation based on user behavior. You can also include tags for better management and tracking of your contacts. After structuring your automation, review each step to ensure everything flows logically. To test your automation, use the test feature available in the Automation Builder. When satisfied, toggle the switch to activate your automation. Regularly monitor performance through ActiveCampaign's Analytics dashboard. Assess metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates. Adjust your automation as needed based on this data to optimize performance. Keep your automations updated with fresh content and timely messages to re-engage your audience. Finally, remember to periodically revisit your entire automation strategy to ensure alignment with your marketing objectives. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.